Okay, so what was our assignment about again?
School bus.
The assignment was a school bus. Very good. Very good. Okay, so teacher is now gonna, okay, so when we are having an assignment, so every day may ibibigay na assignment si teacher. Okay, and then, every day then you're going to present your assignments, okay? Okay, and then when presenting your assignment, so for this certain example, for this specific assignment, okay, you're gonna show teacher and to classmates your school bus, okay? And then you're gonna tell teacher, this is the shapes that I found. I found a circle on the wheel. I found a rectangle on the bus. That's how you're gonna say it, okay? Okay, so the way the teacher calls you is according to the first one who submitted their assignments in the group chat. Okay? So if hindi pa kayo natatawag ni teacher, just wait for your turn. Okay? That means may nauna pa sa inyo nagpasa sa group chat. Okay? Okay. So for the first one who submitted their assignment is Ate Alia Marie Mortel. Okay, where's Ate Aliyah?
I am here.
Okay, so where's your assignment, Ate? So, again, so when teacher calls your name, you greet teacher, you greet your classmates, and then you present as your assignment, okay?
Hi, teacher. Hi, classmates. This is my assignment.
Okay, so what are the shapes in your assignment, Ate? Okay.
And there is a square.
Okay, very good, Ate. Okay, so next we have Ate Hani.
Good morning, classmates. Good morning, teacher Angel. This is my assignment. The shapes that I found on my assignment is a circle on the wheel, a square on the window, a rectangle on the door, and a semicircle on top of the bus, and as an oval on this. I don't know.
On the side mirror. Okay, very good, Ate Hani. Okay, so next we have Kuya Jael.
This is my bus. The shapes I found were rectangles, ovals, circles, squares, and that's it.
Okay, thank you for that, Kuya Jael. Okay, next we have Ate Jaren.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmates. This is my assignment. There is one square, three rectangle, four circle, and two oblong.
Okay, very good. Thank you for that, Ate Jaren. So next we have Ate Gianna. Ate Gianna and Kuya Lucas.
This is my box. I have 5 squares windows, and there have 4 circles, wheels, and rectangle. The door, circle, and oval in
Oh,
the glasses.
okay. Very good, Ate Adriana. Okay, what about Kuya Lucas?
Sabi mo mga shapes din. Dali. Dali. Ano yung mga shapes dyan?
Circle,
Circle. Ano pa?
rectangle,
Okay.
rectangle,
Oval.
oval,
Mirror.
mirror,
Ano yung door? Anong shape ng door?
rectangle. Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ate Gianna and Kuya Lucas. Very good. Okay, next we have
Dito
Kuya
lang.
Gabriel Sai.
Dito yung bye.
Kuya Gab. Is Kuya Gab here? Okay, I don't see Kuya Gab. Okay, so what? Oh, is Kuya Gab
This is
here?
my assignment
Oh, okay.
lesson.
Okay, so
This is
kindly
my
show us your
assignment.
assignment, Kuya. What are the shapes in there?
I found a circle in the wheels, square in the window, rectangle in the door, and an oval, 2 ovals for the side mirror.
Okay, very good, Kuya Gab. Okay, so next we have Kuya Elijah.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmates. The shapes I found on the bus is an oval, a circle, a rectangle, another rectangle, a circle, another circle, and a rectangle.
Okay, very good. Thank you for that, Kuya Elijah. So I'm so glad that your microphone is now working. So next we have Ate Cassidy. Kindly turn on your microphone first, Ate Cassidy.
This is a circle and a rectangle and a square here and another rectangle and another rectangle here.
Okay, very good, Ate Cassidy. Thanks for that. So next we have Kuya Mo. Wow, naka-outline lahat ng shapes ni Kuya Mo. Very good. So can you show us your assignment, Kuya?
Good morning, teacher. Good Angel. Good morning, classmates. I am Mo. This is my drawing. The shapes are rectangle, square, a line, oval or oblong, a circle.
Okay, very good, Kuya Mo. Okay, so next we have Ate Maria Elora. Ate Margo.
Good morning, classmates. Here's my assignment.
What are the shapes?
There's
Line.
there's
Okay. Thank you so much, Ate Margo. Okay, so next we have Ate Winter.
Good morning, teachers and classmates.
Good morning, teachers and classmates.
This is my drawing.
This is my drawing. I draw
The shapes that I found
that the shapes that I found are a tire in a circle, a door that is rectangle, in a square with a window, and oblong oval
for the signage.
for the signage, and oval for the light.
Side mirror.
Side mirror.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Ate Winter. So your headband looks really good on you. Okay. Okay, so next we have Kuya Ocean. Kuya Ocean?
Hello po. Hello po. Audible naman po.
Yes, Kuya, you're audible.
So, this is my drawing of the school bus. The shapes that I see in the school bus drawing is circle for the wheels, square for the windows, rectangle for the main door, oval for the sign plate, and ovals as well for the side mirrors, and rectangle for the air vents. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much for that, Kuya Ocean. Very good. So now let's go to Ate Alexa. Okay, is Ate Alexa here?
This what I found in my bus. I found rectangle. I found a square and a circle.
Okay, thank you so much, Ate Alexa. So Ate Alexa's a bit shy. But thank you so much for that, Ate Alexa. So next we have Ate Yumi.
So this is my drawing. The shapes that I found is the wheel that is circle and rectangle for the door, square for the window, and oval for the sign and the side mirror.
Okay, thank you for that, Ate Yumi. Okay, next we have Ate Denise Andrea.
This is my drawing from the school bus. The shapes that I found is the whole bus, it's a rectangle. The two wheels are a circle. The windows are a square. And the side mirror is an oval. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Ate. Ate, were you using a different Google Meet yesterday?
Yes po.
Okay, kaya pala na si teacher, hindi nakasulat ang Dindin Valentin dito na ano. Okay, thank you. Okay, so yesterday, what were you using? Were you using your Gmail talaga yesterday?
Yes po, it's my school Gmail po.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Ate. Okay, so next we have Kuya Julian.
Hello everybody. This is my assignment. The shapes that I found at the bus are rectangles, circles, a square, and an oval.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Kuya Julian. So, Kuya Julian and si Kuya Mo, parang same-same sila ng style ng bus, naka-outlines din. Okay, so next we have Ate Giselle Nueva Espana.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmate. I found a circle, a square, a rectangle, and an oval.
Okay, very good. Thank you for that, Ate. Okay, next we have Kuya Liam and Kuya Sean.
Hello, this is my drawing.
Okay, Kuya Liam and Kuya Sean, were you here yesterday?
Yes.
Yes po.
Okay, so pero yesterday, iba-iba kayo ng ng account.
Yes.
Iba-iba. Iba-iba pa din pala kayo ng account. Okay, okay. So, let's start with Kuya Lia muna, okay? Akala ko nag-isa na kayo ng account. Andito pa din pala si Kuya Sean. Sorry! Okay, let's start with Kuya Liam.
Hello, this is what I draw, a bus. I see the shape of the bus is circle, oval, and a square, circle, and a semicircle, and an oval and a rectangle.
Okay, thank you, Kuya. How about Kuya Sean?
Hello, this is my drawing. The shapes that I found are square, rectangle, semicircle, square, circle, semicircle, rectangle.
Okay, thank you for that, Kuya Sean. Both of you made a really good assignment. Okay, next we have Ate Yesha. Ate Yesha? Click mo yung microphone na icon, Ate Yesha. Yung microphone button, Ate Yesha. Okay, wait lang natin si Ate Yesha, okay? Because as you can see, parang may inaano pa sila sa device ata. Hindi pa din po ba na okay ang microphone po ni Ate Yesha? Mami, would it be okay? Would it be okay, Mami, to proceed muna kami sa ibang student and then message na lang kayo if okay na yung microphone ni Ate Yesha? Okay. Okay, so next we have Ate Jacinth. Ate Jacinth Astrea. Is Ate Astrea here? Okay, so next, Ate Jacob Briseo.
Wait po. Also po, it's Resho.
Resho. Resho, sorry, Kuya.
It's okay.
Oh, Kuya, do you have a sibling?
Opo, Jamie. Jamie Resho.
Okay. Hindi kasi nakapangalan dito sa group chat. Nandito pala. Nasa natabunan lang sa ibabaw. Okay. Okay, after you, it's your sibling's turn, okay?
Opo. Here's my school bus po. There's the circles here and the wheels, the four wheels. The other one is the fourth one is hidden. And then we have the rectangle as the window, and then two rectangles here for the window as well. A semicircle for the roof of the bus. Then two ovals for the bus windows po. And then two circles for the bus lights. And then we have an oval for the sign of the school bus. And lastly po, we have a parallelogram for the window.
Okay, thanks for that, Kuya.
Okay.
So next we'll have Ate Jamie, the sibling of Kuya Jacob. And then after of Ate Jamie, balik tayo kay Ate Yesha, okay? So punta muna tayo kay Ate Jamie.
Can you hear me po? Or is it noise?
Ate Jamie, kindly turn on your camera.
Hold on. Can you see the drawing?
Yes, Ate.
Okay. So the two lights in the front, they're circles, including the ones on top. Top is the wheels, and then the I don't know what this is called, but I think it's the bed. If you separate them, it's two squares. But at the same time, you can also think of it as a rectangle. And then the window and the car doors, it's either a parallelogram or the windows are squares. Yeah. And then the two, I think these are mirrors. They are ovals.
Okay, thank you for that, Ate Jamie. Okay, next we have Ate Yesha.
I have a oblong.
Okay, show us your drawing, Ate.
Show the boss. Show me. I have a oblong. I have a oblong. I have a circle. I have a oblong again. I have a circle. I have a square. I have a rectangle. I have a circle. I have a square. I have a circle.
Okay, thank you for that, Ate Yesha. Okay, the last but not the least, Ate Anika.
This is my drawing, and I have a rectangle, a square, a circle, and another rectangle, and I have a oblong.
Okay, thanks for that, Ate Anika. Okay, so now that everyone has now presented their assignments, let us now go to our discussion. Okay? So we are now in our okay, yes, Ate Julie. Yes, Ate Arya. What is it, Ate Arya?
Percent.
Oh, you haven't yet present your assignment?
Yeah.
Okay, so you may present your assignment now, and then next time you tell mom and dad to send it to the group chat so teacher can call you during the recitation, the presentation of assignments, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So kindly show your assignment, ate. Okay, so what are the shapes that you found?
Triangle. The triangle is the mirror, and also the windows are the square, and also this one is a rectangle.
Okay, thank you, Ate Arya. Very good. Okay, so let's now go on to our class today. Okay, so for today, we will be unleashing your inner architects. Okay, so what are architects pala? So the architects, they're the ones who designs the buildings or the architecture in such buildings. Okay, so what is construction? So construction is the process of building or creating something. So for example, you're building your house, you're building a grocery store, you're building a mall, you're building a hotel. So during the process of it, it will be called construction, diba? We have this construction sites, the construction area, and sa construction, they have there the engineers and the architects. Okay, so construction and drawing. So ano palang connection ng construction sa drawing? So construction and drawing involves breaking down complex objects into basic shapes and then assembling those shapes to create the final image. For example, in this human body that we have, okay? So we have this, yung head. So pag gagawa pala tayo ng human body, so hindi pala tayo diretsahang gagawa ng, for example, hindi tayo diretsahang gagawa ng ulo, tapos hands. So, di ba, yan yung ginagawa natin usually nung mga bata pa tayo. That looks so, parang it looks so funny. So, what happens pala, what actually should we do is we should break it down. For example, the head, para maging simple lang siya, okay? The head. So, the head is circle or a bit of an oval. The neck is a rectangle. So, the shoulder blades, para siyang rectangle na smooth yung edge niya sa top. The torso is a rectangle. And then the arms, it's like a 1/4 of an oblong. Okay? We're gonna break them down into simple objects, into simple shapes. So again, kasi diba, pag gagawa tayo, the first thing we're gonna do, so when teacher asks again, what are we gonna do and when we start a drawing, when we start an artwork? So the first thing we're gonna do is sketch with basic shapes. Okay? We should always start with the basic shapes. Because if we know the basic shapes, the fundamentals of it, it would be just easy to follow. Okay? So next we'll have an activity, okay? So following this, we're gonna be making a teddy bear with basic shapes, okay? So do you think it looks hard? Do you think it's hard? Just by the looks of it?
No.
Okay, it's not hard.
Yes.
Especially, you're gonna follow teacher step by step, okay? Okay, so everyone, kindly get your rulers, your pencils, your erasers. You can also have, if you have your protractors, you can also use that, okay? So teacher will join in another, another Google Meet, and then teacher's gonna show it. Okay, so that you will be able to know how to construct this bear step by step. Okay, is everybody ready now?
Ready.
Okay, ready. Very good.
Ready.
Okay, can you see teacher's cell phone presentation now?
Yes.
Okay, very
Yes.
good. Okay, so teachers now gonna start this step by step, and then you follow along teacher, okay? Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is, of course, we're gonna make the belly of the teddy bear. So the belly of the teddy bear is a circle. Okay, don't make it too big, okay? Tama-tama lang siya kalaki para hindi din kayo malakihan pag color later on. Okay, so after you're done with the circle, so pag ano lang kayo ng like sa kamay nyo, okay? Pakita lang kayo ng like sa camera. So patingin nga, put your hands in like, and then ilagay sa camera, okay? Very good. So ganyan lang ha, para hindi na kayo mag-click-click, para mas easy na din sa inyo. Okay? Okay, so next. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna add the paws of the teddy bear. The paws of the teddy bear are also circle, and the head is an oval. So the paws of the bear is circles, the head of the teddy bear is an oval, and the ears of the teddy bear are also circles. Okay, wow, bilis-bilis naman ni Kuya Jael. Okay, wait lang muna natin sandali yung classmates mo, okay? Okay, are you done with those steps? Okay, pakita ng thumbs. Pakita ng thumbs up. Okay, very good. Okay, hindi pa tapos si Ate Honey. Wait lang natin. Okay, so let's now move on. So, if you can see, the lines are overlapping. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna erase those overlapping lines, okay? What is it, Ate Margo? Ate Margo, what is it? Ate Margo? O baka na napindot lang yung ano. Okay, Kuya Joel, your eraser is not erasing. Why is that? Okay, let's now proceed on. Oh, color pen. But color pencils are still erasable. Okay, so the next steps here, we're gonna add the arms. So the arms are oblong. Okay, and then after adding the arms, you're also gonna erase the overlapping lines and then add triangles in each of the ears. Okay, Kuya Joel, pencil na lang. Balik ka na lang talaga sa traditional pencil na lang, okay? Okay, so is everybody done with the steps? Okay, very good. Okay, so for the next steps, okay, we're now gonna add the ribbon of the bear. Okay, so the ribbon of the bear is a circle in the middle and then rectangles in each side, okay? In each side, there are 2 rectangles. So it's okay if overlap yung lines. Basta pagkatapos mo i-overlap yung lines, you just erase them, okay? Okay, let's go on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is now to add a triangle on the center of the bear. So, triangle, but more like 3 lines, okay? And then in each post, you're gonna add a square on the center and a triangle on each side. Okay, let's continue for the next step. Okay, for this time, ano na lang yung hindi pa natin nalalagyan ng details. So the only thing that we don't have the details for is the head. Okay, so let's now add the bear's mouth. So the bear's mouth is a circle and it has a square inside it and a curved line. Okay? So para siyang curved line, para siyang McDonald's na baliktad na logo. Okay, and then the next one, the last for the eyes. So the eyes has square, and then inside those square eyes is a circle. Wow, very good. Teacher very good at the winter. Very good. Okay? Very good at the honey. Very good, Kuya Joel. Okay. Okay, so I can see that everyone's almost finished. Okay, so now that you're finished, let's go to the coloring. Okay? Okay, so ano na ni teacher yan? Balik na tayo sa ating reference dito. Okay. So, for the colors, this will be your guidelines. Okay? So, based on the guidelines that we have here, so what color should we put for for triangle? What color should we put for triangle?
Orange.
Orange. Very good. What about the oval?
Green.
What about the rectangle?
Blue.
The circle?
Red.
And the square?
Yellow.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now teacher will give you 5 minutes to color your teddy bear, okay? Okay, yes, Ate Margo? Ate Margo, open your microphone, Ate Margo.
10 colors.
Yeah, you're gonna color them according to their shapes. Okay, yes, Ate Alexandra, do you have a question? Okay, napindot lang siguro suddenly yung raise hand button. What about Ate Cassidy Gale?
Teacher, I'm not done with the drawing yet.
Oh, you're not done with the drawing yet. Okay, so ganyanin na lang ni teacher, okay? Yes, ate?
Teacher Po, can I use watercolored pens?
Yeah, you can, pens?
Markers.
What? Okay, that's alright. Okay, teacher will give you 10 minutes na lang, okay? Kasi yung iba parang malalaki yung teddy bear na ginawa nila. Yes, Ate Margo?
The tummy is circle. The tummy is circle. Do not circle.
The tummy is circle.
Thank you, teacher, for help.
Okay, Kuya Julian, let's not spam the like reactions, okay? Okay, are you done? Okay, patingin si teacher. Okay, very good. So what about yung pause? Kulayan mo pa yung pause. Okay, so once you're done, you just wait for your other classmates to finish, okay? Okay, very good.
Okay, again. The head is an oval. The head is an oval and the tummy is a circle. Okay, very good. A lot of you are done now. Okay, one more minute. And then after that, we will now take a picture, okay? Yes, Ate Cassidy? Ate Cassidy?
The head's still a circle.
The head is an oval.
So this is green, okay po?
Okay, it's now 10:10 a.m. Let's now take a picture, okay? So kindly show your drawings to the camera. And teacher is gonna take a picture. Okay?
Okay.
Teacher?
Yes, kuya?
Sorry po na, yung pong head ko po, dito, kulay na, kala ko po circle eh.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
Okay po.
Okay. Take na picture na tayo, okay?
Teacher, not yet done. Teacher, not yet done. Teacher, not yet done.
Okay, you may continue it later na lang, ate, okay?
I show it to the
Okay, asang part ka na ba, ate?
I'm coloring the body.
Oh, it's okay. You can just continue it during break time, okay? So, take muna tayo ng picture, okay? Okay, everyone, kindly show your cameras. Okay, Kuya Ocean, nag-start over ka ba, Kuya Ocean?
Hindi po. Sadyang matagal lang po yung process ng drawing.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so everyone, Ate Gia, can you turn on your camera so teacher can take a picture? Okay. So, okay, teacher's gonna take a picture now. Okay, one, two, three, smile. Okay, very good, everybody. Okay, so, yung common na naaano is yung head. Okay, so the head was actually an oval. Okay, so diba sabi ni teacher kanina okay, so the head of the teddy bear is an oval. Okay, but anyway, let's have our break time. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna have break time. And, okay, what is it, Ate Jazz? Do you have a question? Yes, Ate Jazz?
Hanggang ano pong oras yung tapos ng break time?
Okay, we'll have our break time for 15 minutes. Okay, so gawin na lang ni teacher 17 minutes para pagka 10:30 a.m. magbalik tayo, okay? Okay, do you still have a question? Yes, Ate Cassidy? Ate Cassidy, kindly open your microphone so teacher can hear you.
Wala po pa ako tapos.
Okay, you're not yet done. So, during break time, would you want teacher to flash yung mechanics ng teddy bear? Okay. Okay, wait lang ha.
Sa square na lang po ako.
Okay, that's alright. Okay, so you may send, so after nyo matapos, you may send na lang your finished drawing sa group chat, okay? Okay, what else? Sino pa ba may question? We can also take a picture mamaya pagbalik para makatake ng picture yung mga hindi pa natapos, okay? So, while on break time, you may grab your snacks, you may eat something, okay? You may read a book, you may listen to music. You can also talk to your classmates dito sa messages, okay? Okay, what else? Wala na bang question kay teacher? Okay, yes, Ate Margo?
I don't know how to message to other new classmates.
Okay, we have here some messages, Ate Margo.
I think the shop button, but I don't know how to. I don't know something to. I don't know how to. I don't know how to write something.
Okay, so pwede din naman hindi while on break time, hindi lang mag-talk sa classmate if you don't know how to start a conversation. Okay? So you can also just have your snacks, okay? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, it is now 10:30 a.m. So let's now continue our class, okay? Okay, so can we take a picture again? Kasi yung iba kanina hindi pa sila natapos and I guess everyone's done now, right? So let's take a picture again para makasali yung iba na hindi natapos kanina, okay? So kindly open your cameras and then teacher will take a picture again. Everybody, kindly open your cameras. We are now back with our class. Ate Jazz, Elia, kay Kuya Lucas and Ate Gianna, Kuya Ocean. Kuya Ocean and Ate Jazz. Ate Jazz, open your camera na, Ate Jazz. We're back in class na. Mamaya na mag-chat sa classmates, okay? How about Kuya Ocean? Okay, let's now take a picture. Okay. Wait lang ha. Tatawagin ko muna si Kuya Ocean. Okay, wala pala dito si Kuya Ocean sa group chat. Okay, let's now take a picture na lang, okay? Okay, Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile! Ate Gia, show your drawing, Ate Gia. Okay, everybody's done now. 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay, very good. Okay, so let's now continue our class. Okay? So, teacher can see here that you've been chatting with your classmates. So, pero once our class is back again, so mamaya na mag-chat sa classmates, okay? Okay. So, why is construction important? Who wants to read the following? Yes, Ate? Din Valentine. Ate, what's your name again? Okay, Ate Denise, yan na ba yung Google Meet na gagamitin mo for the rest of the, for the rest of the classes? Or are you gonna use your personal Google Meet? Okay. So, Ate Denise, can you please read here why construction is important?
Construction is important because it is essential for creating realistic and believable drawings. And it also helps artists to understand the underlying structure of objects, and it allows artists to create more complex and detailed drawings.
Okay, thank you, Ate Denise. Okay, so construction is important daw. So, for us to make realistic and believable drawings. So, it also helps us artists to understand ano ba yung object, ano ba yung ito-drawing natin. Would it be a sphere? Would it be a rectangle, a triangle, whatever shape it has. Okay? And it will make us create complex drawings easier. Okay, so here we have 3D shapes. Okay, so if sa 2D, this one is a circle, sa 3D, it will now become a cylinder or a sphere. Okay, and then if sa 2D naman, it's a square, When it becomes a 3D, it becomes a cube. If rectangle sa 2D, when it becomes 3D, it becomes a cuboid or rectangular prism. Okay? So the shape of the box is a cube. The shape of an ice cream cone is, of course, a cone. Okay? So now let's observe inside your house. Okay? So teacher wants you to find, okay, at least 3 objects. At least 3 objects that can be as a sphere, a cube, a cuboid, or a cylinder. So you find, you look for 3 things, okay? 3 things in your house, okay? Teacher will give you 3 minutes to do that, okay? 3 things.
Pwede po 3D?
Yes, 3D. We will be using 3D shapes, okay?
Teacher, do we have to draw it or we should give it?
Okay, hanap lang muna kayo, okay? Just follow teacher's instruction, okay? So for now, teacher just said for you to find 3 objects, which can be a cube, a cylinder, a cone, a sphere, a pyramid, a cuboid, or a prism. Hey, Kuya Ocean, asan ka kanina, Kuya Ocean? We took another picture and then your camera was off.
Nag-adjust ko kami sa camera.
Oh, okay. So, okay lang ba na hindi ka nasali sa picture kanina?
Okay lang po.
Okay. You may send your output na lang yung finished output mo of the teddy bear in our group chat later, okay? Okay, again, find 3 objects. Okay? It can be a cube, a cylinder, a cone, a sphere, a pyramid, a cuboid, or a prism.
Something else?
Done.
Okay, so now that you found your different objects,
Sure,
so
done.
okay, so let's identify what are your the objects that you found. Okay, first, okay, I'm gonna call 3 students for example. Okay, Kuya Julian, what are the objects that you found, Kuya Julian?
I found a maze that is a cube, a Rubik's Cube, and a cylinder. These are cubes.
Okay, so what you're gonna do, so you're gonna draw a cube. So can you see teacher's presentation? Okay, so kung ano yung object na nakikita nyo, yun yung i-drawing nyo na 3D na basic shape, okay? So, sa example ni Kuya Julian, so he will be making 2 cubes and 1 cylinder, okay? So, if you have time, you can copy the other remaining shapes pa, okay? Okay, what about Ate Winter? What are your shapes?
I found cones stuck in a tumbler.
Okay, so what shapes are those? What shapes are you gonna draw?
Cone, block, cube, and a cylinder.
Okay, very good. Okay, what about Ate Denise?
So what I found is a box, which is a cube, this cylinder container, and this is from a toy. It's a cube. Cone. Yeah. I mean, cool. Cone.
Okay, so what are you gonna be drawing?
A cube, a cylinder, and a cone.
Okay, very good. Okay, so teacher will give you 15 minutes for that, okay? Okay, do you have any more questions? Yes, Ate Cassidy? Ate Cassidy, kindly open your microphone.
Pwede po yung kahit maliit.
It's okay, it's okay. It's totally fine. Okay, you also color it according to the object that you're having, okay? What about Ate Aliyah?
I have my water is a cylinder and the cube.
Okay, teacher can't hear you clearly, Ate Aliyah. Can you please type in your question na lang? Okay, what about Ate Yesha?
Teacher, I saw my camera glitch.
Okay, that's okay. Mamaya na man tayo mag-picture din, okay? What about Ate Margo? Ate Margo, teacher cannot hear you. What's your question, Ate Margo?
I've got this Lego brick. This one for the Lego for this. This one also.
That is a cuboid.
Cuboid. Yeah, teacher.
Chair?
Yes, Ate Cassidy?
Ano po i-drawing yung 3D or yung object?
Yung 3D, i-base lang natin yung ano ba yung object na nakita mo, Ate Cassidy?
Bola po.
Okay, so for the ball, so that is a sphere. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna draw. Wag mo muna lagyan ng details. Ito munang same sa reference ni teacher, itong sa presentation ni teacher na simple lang, okay? And then, pag-color mo na lang i-base sa object mo, okay?
Kasali po yung spare sa 3D?
Yes, ate. Okay, what about Ate Yumi?
So this one, my water bottle is a cylinder. The lunch box is a cuboid, and this watch box is a cube.
Okay, so what's your question, Ate? Okay, so you may start drawing now according to the objects you found, okay? Okay. Yes, Kuya Joel?
Is it okay if I use a box because there's a box near me?
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so you may start drawing now, okay? Okay, so once you're done, so that's right. Mag-ano lang, just like what Kuya Jael and Luisa said here. So mag-chat lang ng done, okay? Wag na mag-raise ng hand and then mag-tell kay teacher na I'm done kasi yung iba hindi pa tapos. So para di din sila ma-pressure, okay? Okay, also, kindly color your 3D objects, okay? Your 3D shapes, you color it, okay? You color it according to the object that you found. Yes, you can add details in your 3D shapes. Yes po, you can. Yes, Ate Cassidy. Yes. Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay. Is everybody done now? So let's now take a picture. Okay? Okay, kindly show your drawings to the camera. Okay, everybody open your camera now. Okay, Kuya Lucas and Ate Gianna. Okay, teacher's gonna take a picture now. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, very good, everybody. Okay, so today we've tackled about our 3D shapes. Kasi kahapon, di ba, yung ating 2D shapes. So tomorrow naman, we will be having our 3D, our shading. Okay? Kasi today ang ating 3D shapes. Okay? So for your assignment, this will be your assignment. You're gonna be drawing a 3D house. Okay? Okay, so did you enjoy our class today?
Yes.
Yes, super.
Yes.
Okay, super daw. Very good.
Super.
Okay, so that would be all for today. See you guys tomorrow.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye.